Hello, so the show went really well yesterday. I didn't fall off the stilts, which was good. Today I'm going to keep the video quite short because I'm having a bit of a rest day, so next week I can start fully recharged and get as much done as possible. Right, I've been practicing one of the butterfly knife trick goals called behind the 8 ball, and I've pretty much got it. It's not really that smooth yet, but really struggling with this ball trick, so I might try letting some of the air out, see if that helps. I really don't know where the pump is. It's not in here, but look what I have found. Right, I found the pump and it actually did help a little bit. Taking some air out. Alright, it didn't help that much, but yeah, I think I just need to have a bit more practice with this. Anyway, I'm going to stop the video there for today. I'm going to edit the video now, and then it's still quite early so I can relax this evening. Tomorrow is going to be a big day of training, so I should get a lot more footage then, and hope you enjoyed the vlog, and see you tomorrow.